Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. The fallout of the NFP data still remains in the market. We've had quite a downturn on gold, an uptick in the dollar, especially on most of its competitors at the moment. So with only 142,000 new jobs being added, quite a way away from the 160 expected, but obviously a lot more than last time around. So there is a slight uptick in the American economy at the moment, but all eyes will be on the CPI data later this week to see how aggressive the Fed will start cutting interest rates. It is pretty much determined that there will be a cut in interest rates for the first time in a long time by the Fed. They had to take action because all the other central banks around the world are doing the same thing. So with that being said, let's just take a look on the 4-hour chart on gold at the moment. So like I said, a bit of a fall from grace, excuse me, especially after almost touching the last record high at 52.32, just above 52.30. So having a heavy rejection there, and because of that, falling quite dramatically over $30 to $40 at the moment. So we'll see if there's any more room for a downturn there. We're not expecting too much of a big shake-up in the market. We've had Chinese data this morning as well. Until Wednesday, as I said, CPI data coming in on Wednesday, and it is expected to drop even further, possibly at 2.5%, which is getting very, very close to the Fed's target, which is what they wanted before they had any moves on their monetary policy. That's looking quite in line with expectations. But as I said, at the moment, we're just seeing now at this heavy rejection at the record high, we're now seeing possibly a slight consolidation period before we get the next bit of big fundamental news data. So don't expect there to be too many moves in the gold market today due to the fact, it's a Monday, and also that there's not too much fundamental news data, especially after last week's data as well. But we're just looking on the calendar on the Orbex website at the moment. As I said, core inflation rate really coming in, expected to drop to 2.5 to 2.6% coming off of 2.9%. So very, very buoyant atmosphere at the moment for the American economy, that's for sure. Expected to avoid a recession as well. So on the flip side of that, looking on the dollar DXY index, we're just waiting to see now if there's going to be any more gradual upturn, especially after moving away from the $100 area. So just trading in the mid 101 area at the moment. And that's given some slight relief to a lot of traders really looking at putting the American dollar into their portfolios for the next few months until the end of the year. So we're just waiting to see now. As I said, all eyes on the Fed. That will be quite interesting on Wednesday, and we'll let you know what's happening as usual on our YouTube and Telegram channel. So stick with us, stay ahead, trade responsibly, and we'll speak again next time around. Bye for now.